let's take a look at shares of GameStop. The stock is up in the pre-market after the company yesterday came out and issued its shares that it had said it was going to. The company completing that at-the-market stock offering. Now, typically, when a company comes out and sells shares, in this case, $550 million worth, that would be dilutive to existing shareholders. The theory tells you, as existing shareholders see their proportional stake in the company decline, the per share value of their investment in the business would decline in proportion with that dilution. However, this is GameStop. Anything can happen. And so the company comes to market, issues more stock. Shares are up 9% in the pre-market. The stock during yesterday's trading session was up some 11%. I mean, is there anything else to say on this, Julie, other than GameStop, anything can happen? CEO is officially leaving, getting a lot of stock on the way out. Congrats to him. He didn't really do anything. Ryan Cohen comes in, makes this sale finally happen. We're finally going to get some executive changes. And GameStop, all of a sudden, back at $180 a share.
I mean, I guess the one thing you could say is, okay, if you are a believer in the GameStop fundamental story, then you could say, oh, this is great that they have this cash to do stuff. But we still don't know exactly the stuff that they're going to do with the cash, do we? I mean, we have sort of like vague outlines of a plan, but we don't know exactly what they're doing with it. So I don't know. I mean, I guess if you're a true believer in either the power of a meme or the actual company, it doesn't matter.
No, Julie, you are right on there, because it's not like what they can do. What can they do to GameStop? I mean, are they going to take hundreds of millions of dollars and put new shelves in over 4,000 stores and sell the new Beyond Meat 3.0 burger? I'm not sure. They have space constraints in the store. Their website stinks. They can only sell video games. So it's not like a Best Buy where a new CEO comes in here and completely transforms the store shopping experience, both in physical stores and online. I mean, these are tiny stores in malls that nobody's going to. So I wish Ryan Cohen well.
I just think it's amusing that the stock is up so much after what everyone learns in school is a clearly dilutive event for existing shareholders. And I mean, we've seen this happened with Tesla, I think, not too long ago, where the company went out and issued more stock, and then the stock rallied on that. I just think it's a fascinating dynamic when we do indeed see it out in the wild. Just related to this kind of messing around with share price, there was a report yesterday that Amazon might split its stock and maybe get its way into the Dow. I love stock splits, very enthusiastic about stock splits. So maybe we'll talk more about that if it does indeed come to pass.